Hey guys, Chris Aqua here and welcome to another edition of Make Money Online video. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be telling you about investment opportunities in crypto. You can actually be a crypto millionaire without having to learn how to trade crypto on a daily basis or hourly basis. A lot of my friends have been telling me about how they got scammed by some investment companies in the past. Some of us actually do HYP, that's high yield investment programs, whereby after a time the website crashes and you lose all your money. So I just want to introduce you to this crypto space. If you've been following cryptocurrency over the years, you can see that there is a consistent rise in value of all these cryptocurrencies. Look at Bitcoin. As of last year, the value of Bitcoin last year is different from the value it is right now. So somebody that bought Bitcoin when it was 3,500 US dollar last year, right now will be worth over 60,000 US dollars just by buying the coin and keeping. But before you buy these coins, you need to know which coin to buy, you need to know how to buy, and you need to know what to do when you buy. So I'm going to be taking you through how you can invest in cryptocurrency and make money online. I'll take you through my phone screen and let's go. Alright guys, so there are more than 4,000 cryptocurrencies in the world, but you have to be careful about these cryptocurrencies because it's not all cryptocurrencies you can invest in. So I'll just show you the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world. So the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world are BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, and USDT. BTC is the abbreviation for Bitcoin, and it's no longer news that Bitcoin steadily rises. So as of 3 years, as of 3 years ago, the price of Bitcoin is lower than what it is right now. As of last year, the price of Bitcoin was around 3,000 plus, and right now is about 6,000 plus in US dollars. So guys, the crypto space is a valuable space to invest your money in, instead of going to all these Ponzi schemes, putting your money and getting scammed. I believe you should take a look into the crypto space and you can become millionaires from this. So I'll be taking BNB. I'll be taking BNB as an example. I'll show you the price and what you stand to gain if you had invested in BNB coin. BNB is a Binance coin, a Binance exchange coin. Yeah, it's an exchange based token and it is created and issued by the cryptocurrency exchange called Binance. So I'll just go to finance.yahoo now and I'll show you the prices of the price of BNB as of January and the price of BNB as of now, and how much you stand to gain if you had invested in this particular token. So guys, here I am in Yahoo Finance and this is the prices for BNB. This is the latest price in April 14. So let me just scroll down to the price in January 1st. So this is January 1st. The price of the opening price for BNB in January 1st is 37.37 USD. This is it here, 37.37 USD. That's the opening price for Binance for BNB, yeah, Binance coin. So if you had invested $100 in this BNB as at January as at January 1, 2021, when it was still at 37.37 US dollar, and you just bought the coin and left it there, when you are investing in all this type of coin as a layman that does not know how to trade, use technical analysis and the likes, the best thing for you to do is just to buy and hold for it to gain value. And look at April 14. This is April 14 right here, and look at the price of this coin, 571.79 US dollars. So I'm going to be opening my calculator now. So we can do some calculations together. Alright guys, so we are here in my calculator. The closing price, we are going to calculate the percentage increase of these BNB coin. So the opening price as at April 14, the time I'm recording this video, was 571.75 USD. Then we are going to be dividing it by the opening price as at January 1st. That's 37.37. So that is 15.2999. Let's just approximate it to 15.3, or let's just leave it like that. So 15.29 times 100, that's, we are taking it to percentage, that is 1,529%. so that means if you had invested about $100, if you have invested about $100 USD in BNB, you'll be getting 15 times your initial investment. So let's say you invested, let's say $200. Yes, you invested $200, and you know, as of January the coin was 57.37, and right now in April 14 it is 571.75. It has increased 15 times, over 15 times. You get. So now you invested $200, and you are going to multiply that $200 by the increase, that is 15.299705.6. So that means the $200 that you invested in January 1st, the $200 you invested in January 1st will be giving you $3,059 as of the time I'm speaking to you right now, as of today, which is April 14. Now look at this. Don't you see that this is a very good investment? So you see, this crypto space can make people millionaires. I'm from Nigeria. I am in Nigeria. If I had invested this $200 then it should be $200 should be around 80,000 naira. $200 should be around 80,000 naira as at then. Let's say 450 times 200, that's around 90,000 naira. If I had invested 90,000 naira, now $3,059 US dollar times 450, that's 1,376,550 naira. I carried 80,000 naira just by waiting on that coin. I carried it to the point where it reached 1,376,000 naira. So imagine 80k, 90,000 naira becoming 1.3 million naira. That is a good investment, and you can only get that in the crypto space. So if you are missing out on this crypto space, you are really dulling yourself. You are not doing yourself good, because the world is advancing and everything is going crypto. So guys, in as much as this is a good coin, there are also bad coins that you must not invest in. There are also bad coins you must not invest in. So you really need to take your time. To study some of these coins. And like I said, the top 5 coins I listed before, they are good investment. You can still invest in Bitcoin, you can still invest in BNB. There are also many other coins that you can invest in, that they will give you more than 10 times your investment, your initial investment. But you have to do your own research. Because you can also lose money in crypto. The same way you can gain much, you can also lose everything in crypto. But the fun thing about it is you're actually seeing your money while it grows and while you lose it, instead of giving your money to somebody or putting your money in a particular company that you don't know their location or whoever the head is. These are things that you should try and avoid, and this crypto investment is something you should try and incorporate. You don't need to know how to learn how to trade. You don't need to know how to learn how to trade. All you need to do is know how to buy and know how to hold. Just buy, keep it in your wallet, and just wait for the right time. And this is a long-term plan. It's not just something that you buy today and expect it to have risen before tomorrow. So this is a very long-term plan. So the money you are not really going to use, instead of leaving your money in the bank, you can just use it to buy some of this coin, and bam, in some years you are a millionaire. So I would list some factors, or some ways to identify if a coin has potential or not. So I would just go straight to the to listing the top 4 factors. All right, so the first factor to consider before thinking of buying a coin is price. Price is the first factor to consider. Then let me just explain why price is the first factor. Some years ago, Bitcoin, like I've said this more than 10 times on here. Bitcoin, as at a point in time, was very, very low in price. Now it is very, very high. So for those that had the insight of quickly buying the coin when it was low, they'll be reaping the benefits now that it is on a high. So now Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin is really, really, really high, and I'm very sure it's going higher. So if you don't really have that money to invest in Bitcoin, you can just research all these little coins that that have potentials of growing. So it is up to you to do your own research in that aspect. So the other factors that can affect the potential rising of a coin is adoption, the volume in circulation, the volume and the supply of coin in circulation. So if you are really interested in investing in any cryptocurrency, please just do your research. Base your research on the pricing, the adoption, the volume, and the supply. So guys, there's a video on my channel about how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency using Binance. I use Binance, I use Remitano. I have different wallets and exchange that I use. So I'll drop the link to the video tutorial in the description below. You can just go through it, and you know how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, especially in countries where the government have restricted, the government has placed restriction on cryptocurrency exchange and trading. You can always use the video to buy and sell, to bypass buy and sell cryptocurrency in your country. So guys, that's a long one there. If you really enjoyed this video, please drop a like and share this video to your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you are new to this channel, please ensure you drop a subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos like this and other videos about making money online. So thank you very much, guys. Have a safe day ahead.